Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your headphones Argon Audio Quiet Storm. So, to change the volume, at the right ear cup, right here we have volume control button. You need to use plus to increase the volume and minus button to lower the volume. Now let me play some song and we will check it. Here we go, now. And I press the plus button, and as you can see at this widget I increase the volume. Now let's check the volume down button. So again, I press it but not press and hold, because with press and hold on volume up button you will play next track, and volume down button you will play previous track. So only single press. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!